So good morning. I had to shave last night because I gotta be at an oil field site in the morning. So now I got a clean shaved face. My kid said, "Hey Dad, how come you look like you're 23 now?" Anyway, I get to run a Western Star today and haul a cat and then haul some matting. I'll have a quick look at the cat and then let's get on the road. This Western Star's got a 60 series Detroit in it, 18-speed transmission, of course, and it's a tandem truck. And this is a D6T, and we're running a 16-wheel lowboy. So this is what we'll be pulling here this morning. Don't have to go very far, just down the road, and we'll unload the cat and then haul some matting, I guess, this morning, or a whole bunch of other equipment. So we'll see how it turns out. But here's today's experience so far. So stay with me. Here's the machinery. Talk to you later. He asked me if I was unloading it. I said, well, I haven't unloaded it, so it's better you do. You're running it today. Take the chains off, drop the suspension on the trailer. Creep off a little bit and away she goes. There you have it. The third truck leaving. So we unloaded 3 semi-loads of see, these are all just triaxle oil field floats, and we unloaded 3 semi-loads of culverts. So we got a few here. There were some big ones. I was a little surprised with this load here. I thought, oh my goodness, they might be a little heavy. They're big, and they got 3 in each one. So that might be a little heavy for lifting off this with the loader, but it ain't. Works great. So Now, how do I turn this around so you can see me? So once again, here's part of the day. We'll see if there's anything else exciting for the rest of the day. Hopefully not. I could go home and cut firewood. So getting the loader and actually I'm gonna load this thing up here. Maybe I'll make a video of that too. Okay, I'm gonna load up this loader on this lowboy. See if my camera holds it in the right place. Well, I guess I'm a professional. Don't know how it looks, we'll see. Okay, get on the load again. The camera jammed on a hay bale with my pliers for a tripod, so I'll move the wagon out, load up. Well, did that work? Getting better at it anyway, because you can't get any worse. Oh, looks like it viewed okay. So now I'm going to chain her down, put the wide load sign on, and headed for town. Today was the first time I ever loaded a hoe, and had a little coaching. Now we'll unload it unsupervised, and hopefully it just looks good instead of some train wreck. But I guess if I have a train wreck, at least we caught it on video. So I took the chains off, dropped the air suspension on the trailer so it's as low as it can get. I'm going to grab the bucket with the thumb, put it out back, and then spin the hole around and carefully walk it off. I'll just check one more time to make sure I've got good camera angle. Since my tripod is a lump of dirt, looks okay. So here we go. Well, my goodness, I didn't wreck nothing. How about that? At least I don't think so. So give me some pointers. Obviously there's a whole bunch of guys that have done it more than me, but I can pretend I'm the professional. So it worked okay. I got to load it, unloaded it, so now I've done that once. Same as cutting hair. If someone asks you, can you do that? You only have to lie once, because once you've done it once, then you can say, oh, I have done it before. So yeah, now I'll So now I'll put the chains all away and all that kind of stuff, and then get on home. Talk to you later. Thanks for checking it out. And as always, make good choices, eat lots of popcorn, have a great day.